the skibbity city of Ohio, where the only betas gets Phantom, and TikTok AI voices narrate reality, a sad skibbity toilet sat abandoned in the gritty shake. Its pipes leaked pink sauce, its soul as cracked as an Android screen with no case. No one flushes me. No one respects the drip, it sobbed, its porcelain heart heavy with L's. Then, from the forbidden depths of the Sigma sewers, emerged a alpha of unimaginable Chatterjee, the skibidi Sigma poop. It pulsed with raw Dorito dust-coated energy, its tiny poop fists clenched with the fury of a gamer banned from Roblox for griefing. It tried to speak. It wanted to speak. Skibidi! The Brian route was getting to him, their eyes locked. The Earth did the Gangnam Style. Elon Musk paused mid-tweet. The Sigma Moon stopped twerking. "I will be the best Alpha Sigma," said the toilet, voice trembling like an iPhone on 1%. "And I will make you a APLHASIKIBIDISIGMAINOHIO. Then it happened. Fusion. The toilet became solid grimace shake, blessed by the Alpha Sigma of skibbidiness. The poop ascended, glowing with the energy of an unpaid intern's last drop of hope. Reality couldn't handle it. Every Subway Surfers gameplay clip in existence ceased to exist. Ohio collapsed into a black hole. And then, in a voice so Riz-powered it shattered TikTok itself, they mewed. The world was never the same. Fire and death